we want to introduce ourselves.
My name is Elfandhitya Abhirana.
My name is Anandhita Milania Safitri.
My name is Fatima Al Zahra.
My name is Shakilla.
My name is Riana Harahap. My name is Ulriche, Priscilla, Ginting.
Stay tuned, guys.
So, this is the ingredients.
First, we have leek,
And then we have
spring rolls in, egg, oil,
and then salt.
This is the tools that we need.
This is the spoon, bowl, plate, spatula, knife, teflon, and cutting board.
First step, cut the green onions into small pieces. Second, break the egg, then shake it and put enough green onions. Then add a little salt and shake it again. Turn around the stove over low heat and pour a little oil, wait for it to heat up. Put the spring roll skin together with the egg in the bowl and override it again with the spring roll skin. Then back and forth until it's cooked. The food is ready to be eaten with sauce and other toppings.
I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I give a shit about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a play date to you.
Okay, guys, we did it finally. This is egg martabak.
Thank you for watching.
Bye. 1, 2, 3.
Hello everyone!
Today we want make apa sih martabak Korea?
Karena penciptanya orang Padang, lagu ini judulnya Goyang Nasi Padang. Goyang Nasi Padang, bersama Riana.
So, this is the ingredients.
First, we
have. So guys, we did it finally. This is egg martabak.
Thank you for watching.
Belum.